This week has been horrible. It's been raining all week, wet weather, I couldn't go out as much. So I decided to do an upgrade. Got myself a cheap one. This is from Wilko. It's like a Best Buy, if you can compare it to America. Most lights would cost you around, I think on Brompton's website it's about 60 quid, but I got this for £8. We got the front light and the rear light that comes with batteries, and let's try it out. The reason why it's cheap, you pay for the price. I struggled putting it on. Maybe there's a reason why you need to buy light for suitable for a Brompton, because when you fold it in, it would hit the rims. So you'll just have to take it off when you don't use it or when you're about to fold it. It works for me, just a temporary one. I need to get the extended or the telescopic seat post first. I know it's like a bike that's like one size fits all, but if you're like 6 foot taller, you need like the extended seat post or the telescopic one. There's not much cycling videos at the moment because I don't have like an action camera yet, but we'll get there. Don't worry, we'll work on it.